Hey guys, it's Aileen. Today I've got some February favorites for you. I had a lot of fun making this, so hope you guys enjoy. First up is this Miracle Water from IT Cosmetics. It's a 3-in-1 toner, essence, cleanser, and I really like it. I feel like it's doing something for my skin. It hasn't broken me out, and I like the fact that it has an anti-aging property to it. Next is this lip balm from Vaseline in this really cute retro vintage graphic and in this tin packaging. It does a really good job in hydrating my lips too. I mean, look at my skin glistening right there. Highly recommend. Next is this concealer from ColourPop Cosmetics. This is the No Filter Concealer, and my shade is in medium. I really like this when I'm going for a high coverage look, especially for the under eyes or any blemishes that I may have. Because of the matte finish, it really looks like a no filter is on your face. Next is this ring from a brand called Fara Meat. They're based in New York. I've been eyeing this actually since in college when I bought this for a friend and I was like, wait, I want it too. My boyfriend just gifted this for me for my birthday in January, and I've been loving it ever since. It's a nice little edge to your outfit. I really enjoyed this sponge and brush cleaner from Daiso this month. Daiso is super affordable and it's super high quality in my opinion for the price. This must have been like $150 or $250, and it does a really good job in cleaning out my brushes and my sponges. Like, that only took one try. Next is the shampoo from Apothecary Essentials. It's got lavender, Moroccan mint, and cactus milk. It's for colored hair. I don't have colored hair, but it's good. It's got no parabens, no dyes, no silicones. And what I've noticed, because I've been getting some hairline acne, especially in the back of my neck, when I switched shampoos with this one, my acne disappeared. So if you guys are having that problem, try this one out. So that's a wrap on my monthly favorites. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. Let me know if you tried any of the products and what you thought in the comments. You can subscribe to me by clicking my face in the middle of that circle or in the subscribe button down below. I guess that's it. Thanks for dealing with me and my nasally voice because I'm a little sick. I'll see ya in the next one. Bye.